Hello, my name is Dr. Anelia Hinova, and I'm a level 7 diploma graduate at the Harley Academy. I'm an anaesthetist by background, so I've worked in the NHS for a number of years, 15 or more years. And I was always curious about doing a foundation course initially, which I did with Harley. I was really impressed as to how structured and professional they were at the foundation course. So I decided to follow it on with the level 7. I also have done the clinical dermatology one, together with the level 7. Fantastic. I've been both challenged and supported at the same time. All the trainers have been great. It has been a fantastic career change for me. It's something that I am pursuing 100% now, simply because I just find the work interesting, challenging, and after a number of years in the NHS and having been a consultant anaesthetist working in surgery and in plastic surgery, I find this is a really nice natural follow on and a build up on top of my clinical experience, plus a very wise work-life balance. I have found every single trainer, Tristan, Carol, Harriet, every single person that has done my mentoring sessions, Raquel, the girls at reception, super friendly, and I'm now about to start the Harley scholarship, for which I'm very happy and I'm very much looking forward to. So in all, I would wholeheartedly recommend the Harley Academy. Very professional, and I believe that their vision completely coincides with my vision, i.e. aesthetic medicine should have medicine in its name. It isn't just a practice, it isn't just the injecting, it's the knowledge and the science behind it. What I enjoyed the most was the build up, the build onto my already existing clinical knowledge and injecting skills as an anaesthetist. I found learning the skills of subtle rejuvenation and improving patients and people's self-image incredibly rewarding. It's also very nice for me to be challenged at this stage to actually learn a completely new skill and still using my old knowledge, clinical knowledge. I'm a creature of rules, so I would not dare treat anybody, injecting into anyone, despite the fact that I'm a very experienced doctor, unless I have the proper training. So I didn't treat anybody clinically until I did at least until the beginning of my mentoring sessions at the Harley Academy. Now, the truth is I started very soon after. So I started injecting into people simply because I gained that confidence quite quickly. Oh, well, 18 months ago, well, I actually came back to the UK from having lived abroad. I lived in Qatar for work for about 5 years. As I said, I hadn't injected anyone. Well, not in the face anyway, I've injected. So I had very little confidence in that area. And now I'm prepared to, I do a lot of mid-face, I do upper face, I do toxins, I do necks, and I'm really looking forward to advancing my skills. So I am actually quite confident. Safety aspect over any financial interests. I practice ethical medicine, whether it's surgery, whether it's cardiology, whether it's facial medicine. Being ethical is at the forefront, being safe, and less is more. I completely honestly, Harley Academy, I stumbled across them online. I knew nothing about them. It was a leap of faith. I did the foundation. I found the foundation course informative, but it really just scratches the surface, because if you want to call yourself a competent practitioner, you do need to go well beyond the surface. Just like the face has got at least 5 layers, some areas there's 7. So the foundation course does just that, gives you an overview. And what I would recommend people thinking about taking up aesthetic medicine is to try the foundation course. you would know whether this is for you or it isn't. But the foundation course wouldn't be enough. Follow it on, become a competent practitioner, and you would feel good and you deliver good patient results. And yes, I would recommend Harley Academy wholeheartedly.